This video will explain some of the 3D rendering that I've been working on in Adobe Dimension and TinkerCAD as well. So starting off in Adobe Dimension, sent me a file that I was able to open, and there you see it's a detent pen with a threaded end on it, and I'm just going to go in here, lift it up a little bit, and I'm going to apply a metal and a finish. So it's just easy as dragging it over, dropping it onto the part, and then dragging over a background, and you got a fully functioning 3D rendering that can be used in video production. Now this is making a 3D rendering from a photo of a flat part like a housing ring. Just vectorize it, pull it into TinkerCAD and extrude it, and then put it back into Dimension, and you got a fully functional three-dimensional part. And here we have a poodle clip. This was done in the same way as the housing ring. Just took a photo of the flat part, put it into Photoshop, cut out the background, vectorized it in Illustrator, saved it as an SVG file, took it into TinkerCAD to extrude it, and then back into Dimension. Now with TinkerCAD, it has some functionality that Adobe Dimension does not have, and I'll show that to you here. So you'll bring over this cylinder and turn it over on its side, make it a little bit longer on both ways, and then we'll just make sure it's smooth and a little bit beveled on the ends. And then we'll pull over another cylinder, turn it over, make it a little bit smaller, extrude it, and then we'll kind of get it to that center point of the other piece. Then we select both items, and then we knock out that hole. There you got a part with a hole in it. Adobe Dimension can't do that, unfortunately, but you can bring what you do in here back into Adobe Dimension. The other thing I wanted to show was that there is a screw function where you can create a screw of different sizes and threads, and you have all sorts of functionality on what you can change. Very exciting stuff. You can also bring over a coil, and in this example I'm going to try and make a split ring. And there it is.